Sorry, y'all, about that. I thought my mother-in-law had whistled because we were supposed to set in about an hour. But, but yeah, I came downstairs and I can't find her anywhere. So she's probably just taking a nap waiting for him to call. Because it's way too cold to be waiting in my house. And all that. But yeah. It sucks being at the mercy of other people to come help you, you know what I mean? Like, it's just completely sucks. And it's even worse when your husband knows how to do the job and knows that furnace better than anyone because he installed it. Come on, baby. Come on. Come with me. I'm going upstairs. And, you know, and he can't help me. So it's just crazy. Is this somebody? I'm losing it. I feel like I'm seeing things. I'm hearing things. You want to try to go outside now? You want to try? I know she's in a new environment, so you know what I mean? You want to try to go outside now? Come on, let's go. She pottied yesterday with no problem. Oh, there she goes. Good, look, it's better. Starting to warm up a little. There you go, little by little. See, it's okay. It's okay, mommy. All right. Let's cross our fingers that she does her business. Because she hasn't really pottied since yesterday. But I know she's a little... Yep, she peed. Good. She's a little weirded out because she's in a new environment, new surroundings. So it's until she gets familiar, then she'll, you know. We were only really supposed to be here till like last night, but things just, I don't know, just not working out. But I'm still keeping positive. Hopefully this guy doesn't back out on me. Hopefully he does know what he's doing, and hopefully God works through his hands and his intelligence and his knowledge and helps him help me get this figured out. And Thanksgiving week too. Thanksgiving week. See, I feel like I'm all out of it. All right, mama. All right, you ready? You ready? You did good. Good girl. It's Thanksgiving week. And a really bad snowstorm, so, you know. And I understand everybody else, you know what I mean, because they don't have to go through what I'm going through right now, so, you know what I mean. If I had the power and my husband was here, we would have been up first thing in the morning, getting everything, getting all the pieces, getting it done. But unfortunately, unless it's happening to you or somebody that you really care about and love, you're not gonna put the gas to the pedal, you know. But yeah. I'm trying so hard to just... Like, I just can't believe all all the really bad things that keep happening to us, and I don't harm nobody. I don't just get it. There's people out there that are 100 times worse, and it's like, anyways, I'm not one to judge. That's not my place. God has a purpose for everything, and then on top of that, I feel like I'm getting sick. My body's holding it back because I'm in stress mode. I'm in go mode. Like, come on, let's get this done. Let's get this done. Let's get this done. But I've been having these fits of coughing that are horrible. Like, I feel it in my chest, the congestion and all that. Like, I feel like once all this is resolved and I'm back at my house, I am gonna get sick full blown. Like, it's all gonna come rushing in. Right now I feel hot and all that, but I don't got a choice. While he's working on the furnace, hopefully I'll be outside finishing digging out my car, because I'm gonna need my car. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow if he can't get it done today, because I have to go to work tomorrow. I already missed a day today. Don't nobody give a fuck. I'm not gonna get paid for today. I don't have any more. It's at the end of the year. I have no more vacation days, no nothing. So I'm gonna take a cut for today, and then I'm probably gonna take a cut if I have to stay home tomorrow. But I mean, I gotta do what I gotta do, so God will help. You know, if I'm gonna have to stay, because it's my house. I have the keys. I have to go. I have to be in my house. You know what I mean? I can't go to work and just trust the repairman is gonna do the job and me not know what's going on or not. You know what I mean? Like, it's just, I can't. I have to be there. So if this is a way of punishment from God, I think I'm good. I think I'm good. But please just release the pressure from my neck. You know, I stay to myself so I don't bother nobody. So I don't, I stay out of everybody's way so I don't disturb people with my presence. I don't, you know what I mean? Something's wrong. I try to do it myself so I don't have to bother, unless it's a last resort emergency that there's nothing else like I could do like this situation. I won't bother nobody. Like, I just... It's just more to it, but I can't tell you guys. Like, you guys would figure, yeah, you're your mother-in-law's. You're still warm. You and your kids are warm. But there's still more to it that I can't disclose right now. I just need to get back into my house. I had to pay my car, so it's going to take even longer for me to come up with the money for a whole new furnace. I already called 211, and there's no services or help for a person my age. I'm not disabled. I'm not a veteran. The only thing they said was to check the insulation outside, make sure it's not blocked, which I think they've done that already. I'm going to run it by him today, but I think they've done that already. And the Department of Social Services offers low interest loans, so, but that's still going to take like a couple weeks. God knows I need to get into my house yesterday. Like yesterday. Like, I don't know. But if you're going through what I'm going through right now, I feel your pain. And I know I'm not the only one, because 1211 calls. they said that they had a large number of people calling in with the same situation with their furnaces. So I know I'm not the only one going through this painful situation. You know, to feel so alone, you know what I mean? Like, being made fun of. But I can't really, you know what I mean? I can't really disclose too much information. Like, but, you know, I can't wait till I'm able to upload a video where I can tell you guys, hey, I have heat in my house. Back in my house. With my dogs. My kids. I cannot wait. That's all I want. That's all I want. That's all I'll be giving thanks for this Thanksgiving. Is that I went through this, that we went through this, but we went back home before Thanksgiving. But I'm not embarrassed to be crying out here because I know somebody out there can see this. And I know I'm going to upload that video. I know I will. Well, I'll be like, yo, I got it fixed. I'm back home. I know I will. That will be the best video I will ever make. I promise you that. I promise you that. I know it. And if I got through it, you will too. And I know I'm going to get through this. I just don't know how I'm going to get through this. If it's going to be the slow, painful way, or if it's going to be quicker. Right now, it's slowly painful, but we'll see. We'll see. You know, it just hurts that my husband can do it, but he can't be here. I'm not alone, but I am alone at the mercy of people who owe me nothing, that really don't care, because there's no loyalty, there's no care, there's no love towards me or my family. So it's like whatever, whenever, however. But it'll be all right. I know I will. So puppies, a little fussy. I'll let you guys go so I can tend to the babies. Oh, there she goes. She's going to a boopy right now. But I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Hopefully it's the best one. Bye.